Hi, everybody.
Hello. Welcome to Big Time Fantastic. I'm Eric.
I'm Lacey. For a second, what was your part? Oh, okay. Hi.
We got an unboxing from the Wisconsin Cheese Mart. Our dear friends sent us this package.
Oh, a cheese knife?
QuuGog. This is a...
That's a cheese knife, right?
That's a tomato knife, I believe. No? No, it's a cheese knife because it's got the holes in it.
Okay. Sorry, I'm scrolling. Okay, opens the box. Cheese
knife 101. Got the holes in it for the easy cutting. So the cheese doesn't stick to it.
So what did we get this time?
Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy, this already looks good. We got. Ooh. Oh, I don't know about these. Shit.
We've got hot hickory sticks, Matterhorn Alpine cheddar, and pit smoked summer sausage. Yum! Ooh, okay. Let's get rid of that.
I was reminded of late of going to the malls. Back in the day, going to the malls.
Yep.
And going to the Hickory Farms. Back when Hickory Farms actually had stores that were permanently there all year long. And they had the samples. Glass cloches.
The cloche.
And all you could eat. Wait.
Well, yeah, to a point. I mean, you know.
Was it all you could eat? Pit smoked summer sausage. Awesome. Matterhorn Alpine cheddar cheese. That sounds yummy.
Combines Alpine style cheeses with Wisconsin cheddar in this unique American original. Ooh, ages for a minimum of 8 months.
Hot and spicy hickory sticks. Hot and spicy.
These ones, a combination of beef and pork with a touch of garlic and the addition of paprika and red pepper turns up the heat in the spicy version of Oosinger's. I hope I said that right. Hickory sticks. Did I say it right or completely wrong?
What did you say?
Oosinger. I'm so sorry if I.
Oh, Oosinger. Maybe it is. Oosinger? Yeah.
Is it Oosinger or Oosinger? I'm not sure. It's U-S-I-N-G-S. So please let us know. Oosingers, Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Chunk of ice for you.
Ooh, chili.
One of those will be.
All right, well, what's first?
Oh, boy.
Should we start with the heat?
Start with the heat. All right.
No, definitely not well, but appropriate on the heat.
No.
Yeah, we can't give that to our kitty.
But anyway.
Yes,
back to the story of
getting to go to the mall.
The malls and the decline of America because there's nowhere to go to get free samples of Hickory Farms. Because you always see the people just wandered around and they're grazing. You'd swear some of them had like a little secret pouch. You're just like, oh, was it sesame sticks? Oh my! Oops, I seem to have dropped half a handful in my purse.
That's pretty tasty. It took a second.
Oh, that is.
Wow. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah. Keep eating.
Right?
You know the rule of hot.
Let me tell you, that Alpine cheddar cheese is suddenly looking really tasty. Oh my gosh, that's really hot for me.
Gotta go with the rule of heat on this. Just keep eating.
Oh my goodness, that's just getting hotter. Like,
it's not too bad. It's like
It's more in the back of my throat now.
It's that weird, tangy. You can't stop blinking. That tangy hot. Ooh.
You know that hot wing show? I wouldn't last. I couldn't go on that show. Can somebody make like a mild wing show? Like, where you can go on and still enjoy wings, but not feel like your butthole's gonna light on fire.
Sissy wings?
I don't know. I mean, call it what you want.
Got my water wings on. I can go to the shallow end.
I mean, instead of fire, can we just do like, I don't know, lukewarm? I want to be able to feel my mouth when it's all said and done.
Sugar peppers.
Sure. Cheers.
Wait. Careful.
All right. You're going to have an asthma attack? Yep. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just breathe. Okay.
Pause for effect here.
Hi, everybody. Sorry, our little kitty was having an asthma attack. She's fine. Carry on.
Carry on. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Pit smoked summer sausage, man.
I should have just taken a bite right then.
Oh. I don't know why that reminds me of this place my sister and I went to down in Ohio. This weird little strip mall out in the middle of frickin', I guess, nowhere as far as I could tell. But it's a jerky place. And he had all his jerky. He just made this jerky. It was just a storefront where it was just like, oh my gosh, okay, let's go in and try some. And I ended up getting some. It was really, really good jerky. I wonder if he's still there.
So this is Stone Ridge Pit Smoked Summer Sausages, producer Stone Ridge Meats in Coloma, Wisconsin. Did I say that right, I hope? Coloma? Stone Ridge Meats Garlic Summer Sausage is an old-fashioned recipe summer sausage smoked in a concrete pit smokehouse over a real hard wood fire for 18 to 24 hours. This creates a strong smoky flavor that only comes from a slow smoking process. A throwback flavor to the days of homemade sausage that you won't find anywhere else. All right.
Waste a long knot. Yeah.
Thanks. Cheers. That was horrible. Point, there you go. That's really good. That's like the best sausage. Oh my gosh.
I'm not sure where this comes from. Coloma?
Coloma, Wisconsin.
Yep, Coloma, Wisconsin.
Yeah, these are all from Wisconsin.
This right here. Guys, this is delicious. This is like really top notch.
Now pair the cheese and not. This is so good.
May I have a crusty device, a vessel?
I can have you a crusty vessel. Let's never call crackers that again.
Crusty vessel.
Ever.
It's like describing my arteries. Crusty vessel bar.
Oh,
or my dad's boat.
How I feel before a shower. Crusty vessel.
Crusty vessel.
Cheers.
Cheers.
A lot. There we go.
Alright.
That is so good. You know what it needs?
That cheese got kicked.
Mustard.
Mm-hmm.
You know how good this would be? Slice it up nice and thin and put it on a sandwich.
You know, just cutting that lengthwise and slices long. Why
could you fry that and then put it in like a fried rice?
Why don't people do that? Why haven't people done that?
What's that?
This is going to catch on. This is all you foodies out there. Why don't you take sausages like this?
Oh, okay. Oh, and now what you gonna do with that? What you gonna do with that sausage?
Now you take this and you fry that up. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then what you gonna do with it?
I'll stick it in my mouth.
Just like that?
Well,
you would even put it between some bread?
I put it on some bread for sure. See the magic of
television.
This is it. Fried sausage. Those are stupid good.
This is Wubba.
100% thumbs up.
Wubba approved of the meat and the cheese. Cheese? Yeah, help that meat go down. Oh, she is purring so hard right now.
She's a little lactose intolerant. But
you know.
we try not to give it too much cheese. But meat.
I know it's just
Ooh. It's good stuff. That's delicious. Slink
she's done.
away treat.
She got to slink away. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I sure appreciate the box.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Thank you, QuuGog.